Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. There is a giveaway going on. It's linked down below if you are interested, and also there's other information down there if you're interested in reading it. Today we are getting into PinUp in a Pack. I don't remember how much this costs. It'll be on the screen, but for the most part, I like this box. I think it's a fun box. I think it's new. Not new. I think it's different. I don't know how new it is. I think it's different from all the other boxes out there. And I spoke too soon. Okay, so that's fine. So these are actual earrings. The first thing I'm pulling out, actual earrings, and I don't wear earrings. Those are cute though. The last pair of earrings in the last box that I got were clip-ons, so I will keep those, but these just aren't for me, so I will toss that in the giveaway. It looks like this box has 3 items. There's no card. I don't know if there usually is or isn't. I don't know. The next thing I am pulling out is a sheer scarf. Okay, so it looks like just the sunglasses this week or this month. It's okay. I am not a scarf wearer. I don't like things up around my neck. Like I don't wear turtlenecks or anything like that. And I'm really not a floral person. It feels really nice though. It feels silk. Feels like silk. But I'll just toss that and give away. And then the last thing, the sunglasses. And I always tend to like the sunglasses and keep the sunglasses. Not bad. I like them. I'm happy. Okay, that was a super short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope this video took you out of your space for a little bit, and I hope you have a great day, great week, great weekend. I don't know when this is going to go up. Have a great whatever follows this video. Bye.